Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to assemble our 6600 lumens Letovo street lights. Let's go! Comes with a 35 watt solar panel, LED light, bracket, remote control, and screw. For this job, the tools you need are 2 adjustable wrench, Phillips screwdriver, 5mm and 6mm hex key. To start, you need to get all the accessories out of the box and the main bracket. Attach the main bracket to the light. While doing this, make sure the wire of the LED light is outside the bracket. You need this to connect to the solar panel later. Once the main bracket is fully secured, connect the panel connector to the main bracket. Use the biggest bolt and screw provided in the package for this step. Next is to connect your panel holder to your solar panel. There are 8 sets of bolt and screw in the package. Use 4 for this step. Then, attach the panel holder to the panel connector. Use the remaining 4 sets of bolts and screw for this connection. Connect the solar panel to the light. Once it is successfully connected, you can see the charge indicator light immediately. Lastly, to get the maximum charging capability of the light on the location where you're going to install it, make sure there are no covered shades that will obstruct the charging capability of the light. And also, the solar panel is getting enough sunlight. You can do this by adjusting the solar panel and facing it directly towards the sun. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and see you on our next video. Bye!